Good morning. So let's discuss the Nifty derivatives and technical data points and try to analyze what will be the anticipated price action for Nifty spot for today. To start with, let's discuss the uh, option chain. So if you look from 25,000 to 25,300, there is consistent short call unwinding. The maximum short call unwinding has come at 25,100 strike, and this is the level at which maximum short put has also built. So right from 25,000 to 25,200, the short put buildup is decent enough. If we corroborate this data in price action, then as discussed yesterday at 3:30, 25,120, 25,120 is the spot at which there is decent support. In case of gap up opening, this will remain the buy on dips level. So coming back to the option chain, if you look at 25,400, this is the first strike after 25,000 at which the call writers have started writing. So they understand and anticipate that in any kind of bullish move, they might not go out of money pretty easily. So if you look at this data, then I think that this bullish move might continue up to 25,326 and 25,410. Above 25,410, these call writers of 25,400 will go out of money. So summing up at 25,100, there is decent short call unwinding and short put buildup. This is the best support in case of a bullish gap up opening. Now, if we look at the FI derivative stats, then 77 crore of buying has happened in Bank Nifty futures, 402 crore of buying has happened in Nifty futures, and some 7 crore of selling has happened in Fin Nifty futures. So, in case of index long and short, FIs have actually unwinded 3,150 short contracts. So, this is a very good sign. And currently, the point remains that I would have been much happier that the kind of bullish move which happened yesterday, there should be some long build up in by FIs. But that is a bit of dampener. FIs haven't built that kind of long build up in index. So I'll remain a bit cautious. This has given me a kind of red signal. But even then, we'll look at the other data and then we will sum up all the data. So looking at FIA index option positions, long and short, then short call option has been unwinded 2%, so which I have shown also in option chain. If you look at this 25,000 to 25,300, the short call put has been unwinded. Now, in case of short put buildup, some 47,000 contracts have been added. This is also the option chain is actually supporting the same. Right from 25,000 to 25,200, there is decent short put buildup. And in case of stock futures, FIs have actually covered 17,000 short positions. This is very good. Yesterday, if you remember, FIs were holding short positions. They have unwinded long positions. So today they are all guns blazing. They have actually covered their short positions. In case of as far as clients are concerned, clients have become a bit jittery. They have covered their 10,000 long position in the stock futures. And if you look at index also, they have only 1,568 long contracts in index futures, means Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty, etc. So they are a bit jittery at these levels. I will also anticipate that the summing up this option chain and the FI derivatives, I will also anticipate that there should be a gap up opening. In case of gap up opening, I will try to buy the Nifty at 25,120 spot, which I will discuss in the price action as well. So come to the price action. 25,120 is a very good support. In this zone, there'll be buy on dips in only in case of if and only if there's a gap up opening. If there's a gap down opening, because market has a bearish phase. In bearish markets, the long build up phases away pretty fast. So that way, actually, it is very important that we should honor and respect this 25,120 spot level. If this level is sustained, the move might up to 25,325 to 400 and 410. In case of breakdown of this zone, we might retest the levels of 25,975. So coming back to the trade setup which we are having, we are holding 25,300 call option, and we had unwinded 25,900 put option yesterday. We have some 21 lots of 25,300 call option. I think that if Nifty, if there's a gap up, I will buy 25,300, 25,000 put option also at 81 price for the target price of 154, stop loss of 54. In this whole setup, 5,27,000 of capital, I'll end up with a profit of 1,10,000. So this is the trade which we are holding in case of gap up opening. In case of gap down opening, this trade setup might change. I might change this buyer levels of 25,000 P. So this is the setup for today. I hope that it has added value to you. If you have any questions, you can write back to me on the number given on the screen. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice trading day ahead.